In the salt water! He's in the salt, guys!
Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Lives, AK Moto Bro, and we're on a Sur-On ride out in Daytona by the beach. So it's gonna be vibes today. There's some killers out here. So let's get into today's video. It's gonna be a banger. It's gonna be a banger, right?
Yes sir, you already know.
And you're missing out.
We don't talk about that.
Yo, he just started his bike, getting it ready for the ride. Let's go, everyone popping it up already. Y'all know the vibe. Woo, with the stand up. Yes, sir. Let's go. Okay, okay. On top. Oh. Bro, I just got smashed with dirt in the face.
My bad, bro.
No, you good, bro. You good, bro. The footies don't look crazy. Hey, bro, that tire got some grip in the dirt, though. It was smacking up the dirt. Oh, I'm good. I got it in my face, or?
Nah, you good.
All right, but I think I hit my glasses mainly.
I was like, holy shit.
All right, gang, we're about to head on to the beach. Y'all know the vibe. Boys vibing. Little circle wheelies at the beach, man. Man, they're about to kiss, dog. Oh, shit.
Got too cocky with it.
Damn, that was sick.
Wasn't it?
Oh, in the sand, some beach wheelies, bro. Oh, so sick. This is sick, bro. This is what I wanted to come to this ride for, was shredding the freaking beach, dude. Let's put the helmet on and flip and shred. Boy, shredding. Bro, just look at the wave, bro. Instead of a surfboard, we're on a freaking Segway.
In the salt water! He's in the salt, guys!
Bro, we're at the beach. What do you expect?
Hey, you're wilder than me, brother! Runner! We got a runner! We got a runner!
Yes, sir. Everyone's literally like thinking like, yo, we're at a beach. Why are these damn e-dirt bikes out here freaking tearing this shit? Yes, sir. Bro, that's so dope. Woo, you good, you good. We're hitting a rolling burnout. Look at everyone else coming in. Even the one wheel took it out on the beach. That's dope. I ain't gonna lie, that was super fun shredding the beach. I don't know if my Sur-On is gonna survive it, because I literally went like pretty deep in the water, but hey, it's worth it. I got 3 bars left, so not much.
3 bars? Where does it say that? Oh,
I got bars. Once it's past like 40, then it goes by percentage. So once I hit 40, it'll be like 39, 38, 37.
We heat that water pretty good, huh?
Yeah, it was fun.
Wash it really well now.
No, yeah. I mean, it was just my rear tire, you know?
Yeah.
So.
I saw you like
Yeah. I had to splash in there a little
You
bit.
couldn't say no to the
Nah,
beach.
I love that. Oh, I wasn't paying attention for a second and I just seen him go down right in front of me. That was Dank Wheelie too. That was the homie Dank. Hopefully he's good, thank God, homie's good. Bro, my heart is pounding right there, bro.
Bro, I feel so dope because I was hyping him up. I was like, yeah,
What
let's
happened?
go, let's go, let's go, yeah. And he went like this, he went like this, and he went on his tippy toes because he was trying to jump back. He did what I did earlier. He like jumped, and his tippy toe landed.
I got
and he
stuck.
swirly.
You're good, bro?
Yeah, I'm waiting on y'all.
I don't know, I think did someone else go down? He too?
Just right after you.
Damn.
Hey,
Yeah, I went to go to sit down and caught this.
exactly. I did the same.
Are you crashing now?
Boy, off-roading. Let's go. Woo! Oh, over the bottle. Yo, we got some straight shredders outside today. So as you can see, bro, if you haven't gotten an e-bike, I don't know what you're doing. You need to get yourself one because it is straight vibes, bro. Everyone just shredding, having a good time. You don't gotta worry about, you know, the po-po. And they're quiet, bro. You can just ride anywhere.
That's so fun,
Bro, it's so fun.
It doesn't look like it, but it is.
Hey, hit it right in front of me.
All right.
Let's go. Yes, sir.
We took the bars out, bro.
Wait, the bars?
Took the bars out.
This bars flew backwards.
Bars went down on that one.
Damn.
Little hard landing, guys.
Damn, you got tools with you or?
What do you mean tools? What do you mean tools around here, bro?
Damn, oh, them are loose.
Yeah.
Wait, what? Your handlebars?
They've dropped down.
This truck all the way through.
I don't know where. Me and him will go look real quick. I got my bars
You don't
came
remember,
up.
Emilio?
You got the tools
I think
ready.
it doesn't, but I'm gonna go check.
They had construction and shit like that.
Bro, we found this little tabletop jump and it is perfect. It's not too big, not too small, just enough where you get a nice air, but you don't get too sketchy on it. Ripping dope. Thank Wheelie on his brand new Suron, already getting freaking comfy, vibing out.
I'm gonna clip a child. I'm gonna clip a child.
Woo. Back into the wilderness, the rainforest we go. Let's get it. So yeah, we're outside in the wilderness. Y'all know the vibe. It's beautiful. This is Florida. Oh, everyone stopped up ahead. Let's go. Money. Money.
I got you, brother.
Ah, I lost it. That e-bike needs some more torque.
Hey, the power's just a little too high. It is.
Green light, green light, green light, green light.
Hold on. He dropped it, There it goes. Let's go. Chilling, bro. And that stock brake? Crazy. Boy got trust in his brake. Let's go. Killing it. Alrighty, gang, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was flipping crazy. We had some killers out here, as you've seen. Remember, stay motivated. I freaking love you. Until next time. Peace.